Are you talking? Are you talking a happy talk? It's so pretty. Mm-hmm. Tell me how good that is. Okay, Jill? Jill, we can turn down the aggressive motor. We'll just put some there and there.
Ooh, he loves. This was the cashew. The cashews. He's like, no. It's like, you are not messing. Everybody's fed.
Hey, come on, little man.
Oh my goodness.
Is that just, it's okay.
Running around. Not sure what startled them. They're a little twitchy because I played an eagle call. A little mean, but I was just curious if it would work. It got rid of everything, including the squirrels. That defeats. No. Come on now. Here's my handsome black squirrel. Come on. Have a great day, guys.